Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video I'm going to be showing you a very simple strategy you can use to upscale your account. For those of you that have $1, $10 or $100 that you want to move it to a reasonable amount, this strategy is the best one for you, and this strategy is a beginner friendly and it is even simple for you if you've not had idea about binary option trading. This strategy is a simple one, as I've said, and it comes with two indicators. The first one, we have the Bollinger Band and MACD. For those of you that don't know where to locate that, you can come over right here. You can see this is where you can choose your indicators. So right here you can choose your MACD and you can choose your Bollinger Band right here. So the settings of my Bollinger Band comes with the period of 15, deviation as 1. So right here on the style level, you're going to use all this color and you're going to put them on 1 pixel, and when you're done, just click and save. So right here, the settings of my MACD comes with the fast period of 12, the slow period as 26, the signal period as 9. Right here on the style level, you're going to just choose these colors and you're going to place them on 1 pixel. When you're done, just click on save. So right here, I'm going to be trading this strategy on 15 seconds candle time frame. I'm going to be using Heiken Ashi candlestick. Aside from that, I'm going to be trading this on 1 minute trade time. So guys, for you to better understand how this strategy works, I'm going to go into the market. When I find an opportunity, I'm going to come right here and explain to you what you need to see before you enter a trade. So guys, we find a very good opportunity right here. I'm going to be entering for a buy trade right at this particular level, guys. Now this is how the strategy works, guys. Firstly, you must be able to see your candlestick. It has to be pretty much stronger, and it has to be above the middle line of the Bollinger Band right here. You can see the green line right here is the middle line of the Bollinger Band. Your candlestick must be stronger and it has to be above the middle line of the Bollinger Band. Aside from that, in order to get more confirmation, you need to come over right here to your MACD line. You can see right here the two lines must be able to intersect each other, giving you an uptrend confirmation. And also your signal bar right here must be able to be printing green, giving you a strong confirmation that there's enough liquidity to move the market towards an upward direction. I hope you're getting that right. As you can see, guys, we're actually on a very good profit right here. And also do not forget that understanding your market structure, candlestick patterns, and also candlestick formation is pretty much simple. You can see right here we have a morning star right here giving us a very good confirmation that okay, this particular market is going towards an upward direction. And not only that, you can see we have a double bottom right here giving us another strong confirmation that the market is going on an upward direction. So relying on indicators alone will not really help, but also trying to know how the candlestick formation have been made, candlestick patterns have been formed along with your indicators will really give you a very good opportunity in entering a trade. I hope you're getting that right. So guys, I want you to stay to the end of this video because each trade I'm going to be taking, there are different strategy and different methods you need to see, which I'm going to be explaining to you that could help you become more profitable in the market. So I want you to watch this video to the end so that you guys can be able to remain profitable with this particular strategy. I'm going to go into the market right away. When I find another opportunity, I'm going to come right here and explain to you what you need to see before you enter a trade. So guys, we found another opportunity right here. I'm going to be entering this trade for a sell trade right here. And the reasons why I'm entering this trade is pretty much simple, guys. As you can see right here, so our candlestick is below the middle line of the Bollinger Band right here. Not only that, you can see our MACD line crosses each other, giving us a downtrend confirmation. You can also see our signal bar right here printing a red color, which actually signifies that there are enough liquidity to push this market towards a downside. I hope you're getting it right. Aside from that, you can also see that this is actually a resistant level right here. The market actually comes right to this particular resistant level, so we're expecting the market to push down towards a downside. I hope you're getting it right. So guys, this is also another very good profit for us. And one thing I really advise you to note is that aside from the fact that you are confirming with your indicators, there are other key things you need to put into considerations, which is the support and the resistance. There is a video link in the description where you're going to understand a deep concept of support and the resistance level. And also you can see right here, this is our resistance level. The market come down to this zone to form a resistance level. We're expecting the market to come towards a support level right here. Aside from that, again, we confirm it with our Bollinger Band and also our MACD indicators giving us a very strong entry into this trade. I hope you're getting that right. So guys, I'm going into the market right away to find another opportunity, and when I see, I'm going to come right here and explain to you what you need to see before you enter a trade. So guys, to find another opportunity right here, I'm going to be entering a buy trade right at this particular level. Guys, as you can see right here, this is a very good opportunity. Right at this particular level, you can see our candlestick are pretty much stronger and they are above the middle line of the Bollinger Band right here. Also, our MACD line also crosses each other, giving us an uptrend confirmation. You can see our signal bar is actually giving us very good upward confirmation. I hope you're getting that right. And also right here, you can see the market is actually on a downtrend, and right here the market is forming a lower low, a lower high, a lower low. At least we're expecting the market to form a lower high right here, or probably get rejected at this particular level before the market starts coming down towards a downside direction, or the market has actually changed character, trying to push towards an upward direction to form an uptrend. I hope you're getting it right. As you can see right here, guys, we're also on a very good profit. Guys, this is a very powerful strategy. All you just need to know is to ensure your indicators are being confirmed, and also try to know the basics of market structure. There's a video link in the description where you can learn a comprehensive method at which market is being structured and how you can follow it as a trader. I hope you're getting it right. So guys, I'm going into the market again for my last trade. When I get another trade opportunity, I'm going to come right here and explain to you what you need to see, guys, before we enter a trade. So guys, we found another opportunity right here for a sell trade. You actually enter for a sell trade right here. And the reasons why I'm entering this trade is pretty much simple, guys. As you can see right here, our candlestick is below the middle line of the Bollinger Band, right? Not only that, you can see our MACD line actually crossing over, giving us a downtrend confirmation. That is the reasons why I actually entered this trade. And also, as you can see, our candlestick is pretty much strong right here. It gives me a very good confirmation to enter this trade. Right here, the market is forming a higher low right here, just like what we have right here, a higher high, a higher low. So we're expecting the market to go as a higher high right here. I hope we'll be on a good profit before the market reverses right at this zone. So guys, we're actually on a very good profit right here. So we're expecting the market to form a higher low before it forms a higher high. So we'll take advantage of this market when it is coming as a higher low right at this particular point. We confirm it with our indicators, and you can see right here our candlesticks are actually below the middle line of the Bollinger Band, and also the MACD lines are actually crossing over, giving us a downtrend confirmation along with our signal bar confirming the trend. I hope you're getting it right. So this is a very powerful strategy, guys, a very powerful one. I just want you to rewatch this video over and over again to understand the concept of how this particular strategy works. Not only that, I want you to practice it in your demo account for 2 days. Get familiar with it, get confident with it, then you can now fund your account with a reasonable amount, probably let's say $5 or $10, and then you can be able to trade it judiciously. Please do not over trade. You can actually take 2 trades per day, and if you are using $10 account, you can actually start with $1 per trade. That will give you a 10 trade. So using this strategy, you should be able to have 7 to 8 winning rate using this particular strategy, guys. So guys, this is where I'm going to stop on this video. If you love this video, do ensure you hit the subscribe button right here. Let's actually hit 3,000 subscribers this week. Not only that, I want you to like this video, share this video to your loved ones so they can also learn from what you are learning right here. Till I see you again, guys, in another video. Keep trading, guys, and bye for now.